Do you want to know the fitness motivation hacks that will keep you on track and achieve your goals? Well, you've come to the right place because, in this video, I'm going to share with you some amazing tips. First, set specific and achievable goals, so you have a clear direction and something to strive for. Next, find a workout buddy or join a fitness community to stay accountable and motivated. Create a killer playlist with your favorite tunes to keep you energized and pumped during your workouts. Mix up your routine by trying new exercises or incorporating different workout styles to keep it exciting. Track your progress to see how far you've come and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Reward yourself with non-food treats when you hit milestones, like a new workout outfit or a spa day. Fuel your body with nutritious foods that give you sustained energy and support your fitness goals. Make sure to prioritize sleep and rest days to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. Find a workout routine that you genuinely enjoy, so you look forward to exercising instead of dreading it. Visualize your success and imagine how amazing you will feel when you achieve your fitness goals. Remember to stay positive and embrace the journey, knowing that progress takes time and effort. Surround yourself with motivational quotes, images, or even a vision board to keep you inspired. Find a fitness role model or follow influencers who inspire and motivate you to reach your goals. Avoid comparing yourself to others and focus on your progress and your own personal journey. Break your big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks, so you feel a sense of accomplishment along the way. Don't be too hard on yourself and remember that every little step counts towards your overall progress. Be consistent with your workouts, even when you don't feel like it, because consistency leads to results. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your energy levels up. Incorporate stress management techniques like meditation or yoga to keep your mind clear and focused. Challenge yourself by setting new fitness goals and pushing past your comfort zone. Use technology to track your workouts and progress, like fitness apps or smart fitness devices. Surround yourself with a positive and supportive fitness community both online and offline. Visualize yourself in your ideal physique and use it as motivation to keep pushing forward. Be mindful of your self-talk and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Document your journey on social media and share your progress with your followers for added accountability. Take progress pictures or measurements to see the physical changes happening in your body. Find a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and schedule, so it's easier to stick to it long-term. Do workouts that you enjoy and that make you feel good both physically and mentally. Focus on the process and enjoy the feeling of getting stronger and healthier every day. Stay motivated by setting short-term and long-term goals that align with your overall fitness vision. Re-evaluate your goals periodically and make adjustments if necessary to stay on track. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your fitness goals, no matter how big they may seem. Know that change takes time, so be patient with yourself and stay committed to your journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like these. Now, go out there and crush your fitness goals, one workout at a time.